Hi, third graders. This week we are writing about our thoughts that we have. And once you go into Google Classroom, you will see that there's this assignment. So you want to click on it and pull it up. It'll have your name at the top, like this assignment has my name at the top. And the title is Thoughts I Have, and the directions are write 10 sentences at the top and 4 sentences at the bottom. Write in a sentence 10 happy, encouraging, positive, grateful, loving thoughts that you have. For example, you might write, I am thankful my family is home and safe, or I love my dog because he loves me so much. So what I thought we would do today is I thought we would look at using voice typing. And so what you want to do is you want to go up here where it says Tools. You want to click on it. And then you want to click down here where the microphone is and it says voice typing. And you want to click there. Now you might get a little prompt that says allow voice typing to use your microphone, and you want to click the allow button. But once you get to this part, then you can click on the microphone and it'll say your thoughts. So I'm going to click right here so it goes into number 1. Then I'm going to say, I am grateful my family is healthy. I'm going to click. Oh, there's the allow. I am grateful that my family is healthy. Period. And then I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to check. I am grateful. Oh, it says at instead of that. So I have to fix that. My family is healthy. Then I'm going to go to number 2. And I'm going to say, I am thankful we are all together. I am thankful that we are all together, period. And it got it. I am thankful that we are all together. Then I'll click number 3. We have fun watching movies, period. We have fun watching movies. Then number 4. I am thankful for books to read, period. You got that one too. I am thankful for books to read. I am grateful for long walks, period. I am grateful for long walks. It got that one. Oops, number 6. We have fun playing catch, period. That one looks good too. We have fun playing catch. Number 7. I am grateful for new recipes, period. I am grateful for new recipes. I got that. I love making yummy cookies, exclamation point. Yes, I got that one too. I love making yummy cookies. Number 9. I am grateful that we can play games, period. I am grateful that we can play games. And then number 10. I am happy that spring is here, exclamation point. So those are my 10 thoughts that are happy, encouraging, and positive. But I do have some worries too. So, or maybe more like frustrated. I'm a little bit frustrated about a couple of things. So here they are. I am frustrated we cannot go to movies, period. That's one of my frustrations. And then another one is, I am frustrated that we can't go to restaurants, period. Voice typing is doing really well right now. I am frustrated that we can't go to restaurants. And number 3 is, I am frustrated that we can't go to Rocky Mountain National Park, period. I got that one too. And then my last one is, I am frustrated that we can't have parties, period. So I got that too. So my assignment looks done, and I like this assignment because I can go back and look at all the things that I am thankful and grateful and feeling positive about. There are 10 of them here. I wonder what your 10 positive, thankful, and grateful thoughts will be. Have fun writing. Bye now.